The Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, is a law that was enacted in India. In December 2019, it seeks to provide citizenship to certain religious minorities from neighboring countries who have faced persecution on the basis of their religion. The CAA specifically applies to Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhists, Jains, and Parsis who have entered India before December 34, 2014, from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. It aims to protect and grant Indian citizenship to these religious minority communities who have faced religious persecution in these countries. The purpose of the CAA is to address the concerns and provide relief to those individuals who have been residing in India for many years but were unable to attain Indian citizenship due to the lack of proper legal provisions. It acknowledges their plight and aims to grant them a secure future in India. Under this act, eligible individuals from these religious minorities who have entered India before the specified date will be granted fast-tracked citizenship. They will be exempted from the normal process of acquiring citizenship, which requires a minimum residency of 11 years in India. Opponents of the CAA have expressed concerns that it violates the secular principles of the Indian Constitution and discriminates against Muslims. They argue that religious considerations should not be the basis for granting citizenship, as it goes against the secular fabric of the country. They fear that this law could marginalize and exclude the Muslim community. Proponents of the CAA, on the other hand, argue that it is a necessary step to protect the rights of religious minorities who have faced persecution in neighboring countries. They believe that these religious minorities deserve special consideration due to the particular hardships they have endured based on their faith. The CAA has sparked protests and debates across the country. People from different walks of life have expressed their opinions, both in support and against the law. The government has assured that the CAA does not aim to harm any religious community, but instead seeks to provide justice to those who have lived in India as refugees and have been unable to secure their citizenship. It is important to note that the CAA is not a standalone law, but is part of a larger effort to reform India's citizenship laws. It must be understood within the broader context of the National Register of Citizens, NRC, which aims to identify illegal immigrants residing in India. Both the CAA and NRC have been subjects of
intense debate and scrutiny.
In conclusion, the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, is a law that provides a path to Indian citizenship for certain religious minorities from neighboring countries who have faced persecution, while supporters argue that it is a necessary step to protect the rights of these communities. Opponents express concerns over its potential violations of India's secular principles. The CAA has sparked nationwide debates and protests, and it is crucial to consider the complexities and broader context surrounding this law.